Okay, so for 13, it's a bit of an odd question, but I think once you understand the answer, it makes much more sense. So, anyways, a researcher conducted a survey to determine whether people in a certain large town prefer watching sports on TV or attending this sporting event. The researcher asked 117 people to visit who visited a local restaurant on a Saturday, and 7 people refused to respond. Which of the following factors makes it least likely that a reliable conclusion can be drawn about the sports watching preferences of all people in the town? So basically, this is the research question right here. The researcher went to a local restaurant and asked 117 people there, of which 7 didn't answer, and we want to see which of these make it least likely that a reliable conclusion can be drawn about all people in the town. So, sample size. Well, I mean, it's not a terrible issue. Again, the SAT with something like this, the SAT will make the answer pretty clear. So if the sample size was like 10 people, then yeah, that would definitely be an issue. But 117 or minus 7, so 110 responses, that's a pretty reasonable sample size. Um, Population size, again, not really an issue. We know that surveys are often given to, not the entire population of a country or town, but to just some kind of representative sample to try to estimate the um, the preferences of the larger community. So it's fine that this population size is obviously going to be way bigger than the sample size. Um, the number of people who refuse to respond. That's potentially an issue, but it's only 7 out of 117. That's a very small percentage, so it's not probably going to be a significant issue. But where the survey was given, that's probably going to be an issue, right? You're trying to reach a conclusion about all the people in the town, and you're asking 110 people on a Saturday in some specific restaurant, right? That's definitely going to bias your selection pool. You're only asking some group of people, whoever visits this restaurant on Saturdays, whether it be maybe, some ethnic group or some age group. Maybe this is some like high class restaurant, so only the wealthy go there, so that's a bad sample size. There might be all kinds of reasons why this is sort of, you know, this biases your selection pool. So definitely D, where the survey was given, will make it very difficult to draw conclusions about all the people in the town if you're just asking people at one restaurant.